Okay, so let us see the meaning of Srimad Bhagavatam 1.1.2. Dharma Projita Kaitavotra means religion is practiced. See, there are two types of religions. Okay, Kaitava Dharma and Paradharma. Religion that is practiced with selfish motives, that is kicked out. This Kaitavotra means the religion which is done for selfish purposes is kicked out. And Dharma Projita Kaitavotra Paramo Nirmatsaranam Satam. Now, here it is said, who can understand Srimad Bhagavatam? All of your ears should be here. Listen to this. Who is 100% pure in the heart? This, Srila Prabhupada, he writes in the word to word translation. Paramo Nirmatsaranam Satam. One who is 100% pure, he can understand Srimad Bhagavatam. And how can we become pure? When every day when we chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, sincerely, then our heart becomes very clean. You know why? Krishna takes the broom and cleans the heart. Whoever chants, no, Hare Krishna, immediately Krishna takes the broom and cleans the heart. Not any servant or not any ordinary person. Because Cheto Darpana Marjanam, it is said in Shishtashtakam. So who is 100% pure? And then again, once more devotees, after 40 minutes, again, please connect. Then Vedyam Vastavam Atra Vastu Shivadam. What is there? This speaks about the real substance of absolute truth. What is there in Srimad Bhagavatam? The real substance, the Vastu Nirdesh. That is the subject of the definition of absolute truth was the first to us. And here it is said the real substance of the absolute truth is spoken in Srimad Bhagavatam. And Shivadam. What is Shivadam? It is auspicious for everyone. It becomes the moment you take Srimad, just even if you touch, even if you just tell Srimad Bhagavatam, or you just touch, if you read, Srila Prabhupada says, you will immediately become happy. Okay. Tapatrayon Moolanam. Okay, what is the effect of hearing? It removes all miseries out. Okay. And Srimad Bhagavate Mahamuni Krite. So this beautiful Bhagavatam is written by Srila Vyasadev, not by any ordinary person, by Srila Vyasadev. And Kimba Parairishwara, what is the use of any other book? Sadhyo Ridya Varudyate Takritibi Shushrushubi Sakshanad. So here the blessings are coming. I told no three things. Namaskar, Vastu Nirdesh, Ashirvad. What is the Ashirvad? That immediately,
Blessings.
yeah, blessings. Immediately Krishna is captured in the heart of one who intensely, see this word, Shushrushubi Takshanat. Shushrushubi means you should be intensely eager. Like how we are eager for IPL, how we are eager for having ice cream, how we are intensely eager to eating Domino's pizza. That intensity should be there to hear Srimad Bhagavatam. And then immediately what happens? Krishna, he comes, he is captured in that heart. Okay, so that is the blessings. Of course, the miseries are also taken out. So that is the meaning of this verse. Okay, now